Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reset For You page on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app. It shows you some videos, and let's say you don't like that type of content and you want to see more other content, more other types of videos, so you can try to fix it by getting into your profile. Then hit a 3 lines icon and select Settings and Privacy. On that step, first you can get into language, and right here you can easily find preferred languages, so you can get into it, and right here you can check mark the languages you understand. You can check mark multiple languages at the same time, and TikTok will show you more content on that languages. In that way, just don't forget to hit done. Also, you can get into settings and tap at content preferences, just like that. Right here, you can first tap at filter video keywords. You can add there some keyword, and when you filter a keyword, you wouldn't see videos in your For You page feeds. So I'm gonna hit add keyword, and I can just type in whatever I want, up to 70 characters. So let's say I don't like videos about cats, so I can in that way add this keyword right here, and then under the filter from I can check mark For You and even following. Then I can hit on the save to add that keyword, and in any time I can add another keyword. So let's say I also don't like dogs videos, so I can add that dogs keyword to filtered keywords. So now I'm gonna get less content about cats and dogs. Then you can also enable restricted mode. As you can see, as for now it toggled off. You can tap where it says restricted mode, and when this mode is enabled, it will limit videos that may be inappropriate for some people. To enable this mode, just hit turn on, then set a passcode to turn on restricted mode. I'm just gonna enter some random symbols like 1111, and now it says that restricted mode is on. In any time I can go back here and I can turn this off, and also I can change a passcode. So I'm gonna hit a turn off, then enter a passcode, then hit on next, and for now restricted mode is off. So that may help you to reset your For You page on TikTok. And now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Also, I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.